In this video, we complete step 33, the percent change method. So the percent change method is nearly identical as the diff method, which we just completed, except instead of returning the actual difference between the current value and the nth value above it, we're going to return the percentage change. So it's just a minor, a very minor difference. One returns the absolute or the difference, and the other is going to return the percentage difference. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the function that we just worked on above, and I'm going to make one minor adjustment here. So in diff, the diff method, we are going to return the difference between the current value and the one above it by n. Instead of returning this difference, what we're going to do is return the percent difference. So we're going to divide it by that nth value above, which is the value shifted. And this should get us exactly what we want. So we're just doing one minor thing. We're simply dividing by that value n rows above. So let's see how this works in the Jupyter Notebook. So here is our df, and if we do percent change with n equals 1, we can see that, well, number one, we get this this warning blasted in our face, and this is caused because it looks like it says there's a 0 encountered in, so there's a division by 0 essentially. So false evaluates as 0, and that's not going to be good when we're doing division. So any place where you have a 0 here, you'll get a little bit of a warning, but you know, we're not gonna handle cases like this, so we're just gonna go ahead and bypass that and not worry about it. What we can do is manually check, say a jump from 40 to 50 in the weight column. So that's a difference of 10. So 50 minus 40 is 10, and then 10 divided by 40 is 0.25. So that looks like, you know, there's a 25% jump from there. So that checks out manually, and then, you know, we should obviously check with PyTest, and we have the test percent change test. So I'm going to go ahead and run that, and I have passed that. So this is nearly identical to the diff method. Just make one small division over here to complete step number 33.